Hey, it's Cyber Ceddy from the Cyber Awareness Hub. Breaking into cybersecurity without prior experience isn't easy, but it's achievable. The key is to show consistency, humility, and proof of skill. Forget about fancy titles. Focus on learning and growth. Begin with mastering IT fundamentals. Get familiar with Windows and Linux systems, understand basic networking, and learn about cloud platforms like AWS. Use certifications to validate your knowledge. Start with ISC2CC and CompTIA Security Plus. Build a hands-on portfolio with a home lab, participate on platforms like TryHackMe, and contribute to open-source projects. Document your work and publish it on GitHub. Network into entry-level roles like help desk or junior network admin. Use LinkedIn actively and tailor your resume to focus on skills like Wireshark and Kali Linux. For students, volunteer at your campus IT help desk for real experience. Here's a quick 30-day plan. Week 1, set up your lab. Week 2, finish a networking project. Week 3, complete labs on TryHackMe. Week 4, build your GitHub repo and apply to jobs. Stay consistent and keep leveling up. Follow Cyber Awareness Hub for more insights.